Okay, in this example we are doing corridor linking. We have Office 1, Office 2 on, and Switch 1, Switch 2 on line A, and we have our corridor lights on line B. Okay, first we open our wizard and scan our line A, and basically I've got two groups here. Group 1, which is for my Office 1, and Group 2 I've used for Office 2. And also we have two switches, switch 1 and switch 2. Okay, we program our switches. I've just used toggle and basically target group 1, action max and off, and make sure you copy this or duplicate all profile so it exists on all the profiles. Okay, and similar thing to switch 2, toggle, but this time the target is group 2. Okay, I've already synced it, but make sure you sync this. Okay, next we can scan our line B using the wizard. Okay, so on line B I got group 1, and this is my I've used it for my corridor. Okay, that's all. For monitor program, and make sure you go and create a new file, which I've already done by changing the controller. So this, my file is corridor linking. Okay, we can configure our points. You go to configure points, and we have point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on line A, and we have 7, 8, 9 on line B. Okay, we save that. Then we can create our sequence. Okay, this is the sequence I've created, sequence 3. Basically I have 0 minutes goes to max, 2 minutes mean, and 2 minutes off. Okay, we use this one in our network variable. Then we create our network variable. Okay, we give it a description, location, make sure it's enabled, and tick profile 3 and 4. Okay, the type, you select corridor linking A, because our offices are on line A. Basically just drop down menu and select. Say scan time, you can select whatever scan time you like of 10 milliseconds, and here we add our sequence we've created, sequence 3. Okay, and we give our variable and number. We just chosen 11. It's a random number. Okay, you apply that, and then you create another network variable for receiver, corridor B, receiver enabled, tick profile 3 and 4. From drop down menu you select the UDP, and make sure you put the same variable number here. That's very important. Okay, then apply that as well. Okay, next we can configure the groups. Basically I have Office 1, Office 2 and corridor. Office 1 is on line A. Just open that. Points, I've already added the points, and you make one of the points as a selector. Okay, and then Office 2, which is on line A again. Points, you add the points and one selector. Okay, the corridor group is on line B. Okay, here we add the receiver network variable. Basically just double clicking and selecting it. Okay, and the points on line B, 7, 8, 9. That's all we need to do. Apply. Okay, before I forget, you go to your points. The point 1, this one here, the selector, make sure you tick poll level and priority. Okay, also the point 4, which is selector, poll level and priority is ticked. Okay, and then make sure you sync it and you can test it. Okay, to test this we can open the trace, and now I'll just turn the Office 1 on. Okay, send the sequence, you can see. You can turn both Office on and sequence 3 is fired, so the corridor lights are on now. So we got 2 minutes to go to mean and then 2 minutes off. So if you turn the lights, Office 1 off, Office 2 off. Okay, after 2 minutes, gone to mean. Okay, you can see 2 minutes later. Okay, all working okay. Okay, another way we can monitor the line controller, we type the IP address of the line controller. 2.168.2. Okay. And then we can look at the each point, or we can go and click on groups. You can just, okay, I'll just turn switch 1 on, and then we have to refresh it. Okay, let's switch 1 on, switch 2, which is Office 2 on as well, refresh. Okay, and this one shows the corridor group has come on, 2 minutes. That's another way you can check it.